Few news organizations managed to point out that nearly 7 in 10 voters last summer did not trust Hillary Clinton whatsoever. But President Trump took to Twitter to slam Clinton for her failure to take responsibility and to give some credit to the FBI director, tweeting this, quote, FBI Director Comey was the best thing that ever happened to Hillary Clinton in that he gave her a free pass for many bad deeds. The phony Trump-Russia story was an excuse used by the Democrats as justification for losing the election. Perhaps Trump just ran a great campaign. Sean Spicer added, you don't get to pick the day the election's on, saying that it's somewhat sad that President Trump's win is still being debated. And even former Obama advisor David Axelrod acknowledged that Clinton lost to the better candidate, saying this, quote, Jim Comey didn't tell her not to campaign in Wisconsin after the convention. Jim Comey didn't say don't put any resources into Michigan until the final week of the campaign. Democratic leaders deny the failure of their policies and the consequences of Obamacare, but it's exceedingly encouraging that President Trump has successfully reached out to the rank and file Democrats as well, and they are responsive with their support instead of with the blind obstinacy of their party leaders.